How to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix photo mode missing on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that we'll take is open up our TikTok and check if the photo mode is actually missing. So open up your TikTok and then tap on the plus icon that is on the bottom middle. After you tap on it, here you should see this photo option pop up. If you don't see this photo button and you can't click a picture from it, that means that your photo button is not available or just missing. So to fix that, what we'll do is first we'll head back to our home page, go to settings. After you are on settings, search for general. And after you're on general, head over to iPhone storage. From here, search for TikTok, and after you find TikTok, we'll just clear its cache. So here search for TikTok and offload the app. After you offload the app, reinstall it back and then try to use your TikTok again. If that does not work, head back to the home page, and there you should find TikTok again. And if you long press on it, you'll get an option to clear its cache. Now you can clear your cache from here, and after you do that, it should fix the problem. But if that does not do it, head back to your initial home page and search for your app store. On your app store, search for TikTok to update it to its latest version. After you search for TikTok, just open it up and check if there is an update button available like this. If there is, tap on update to update TikTok to its latest version. After doing that, your issue should get fixed, and that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.